Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can cancel your Roblox Premium. It's pretty simple. You want to go to roblox.com, which is the official website of Roblox, and log into your account. And once you're inside your account, you want to click on this little setting icon at the top right of your screen. Once you click on the settings icon, you can see the option called settings. Click on settings. And once you're inside Roblox setting, you can see this option called billing. Now once you're inside the billing option, now I do not have Roblox Premium, that's why it's telling me to subscribe. But if you already have a Roblox Premium, it's going to show you a button called cancel. So I'm going to show you a picture. So if you have Roblox Premium, then it's going to show you a button like this. And right over here, you can see this option called cancel renewal. You want to click on cancel renewal and your Roblox Premium will be cancelled. Alright. Now remember, as you guys can see, my Roblox Premium's date is until this. So if I cancel it, my Roblox Premium until this date will be available. After this, it's not going to be available. And remember, if you cancel Roblox Premium, you're not going to get your money back. All the money which you wasted on Premium, it's still going to be gone. You're not going to receive it back. Alright. So yeah, that's how you guys can cancel your Roblox Premium. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.